was ecstatic. I was thrilled to learn that I could have the smile in just one day. It's almost unbelievable to you when you think about it, but it's true. You can have it in one day. I left there and I had the smile that I've always wanted.
Well, we've just heard from one of the patients from Gasser Dental Group. Hi, I'm Gina Salazar. Welcome back to the Better Arizona Show. Today we have Dr. Gasser here in our studios to talk to us a little bit more about what these testimonials are and why patient testimonials are so important. Welcome, Dr. Gasser.
Thank you for having me.
So, Dr. Gasser, tell me a little bit about what people should be looking for and thinking about when they see these testimonials.
Sure. Well, a testimony is, of course, a statement regarding the truth of the matter. That's how it can be defined. So really, when we're talking about in this case are dental implant patients that have been through the experience of having the all-on-4 procedure, which is where we can give people implant teeth in a day with one surgical visit. And it's their experience of how they've experienced the dental procedure and how it's changed their lives. And that's really very powerful to other people that are considering that kind of work.
Absolutely. And we've seen testimonials obviously used before in television. These are unique because you can see the passion and the happiness, I think, in these patients because dental work really changes lives.
It truly does. And these folks, what we're seeing is just not only are they healthier and more functional, dentally speaking, but their energy and their personality, you can see it in the color of their face. You can hear it in their voice. And that's powerful, not just in, as I mentioned, the dental world, but their careers, their personal lives, and nobody can communicate that better than people that have been through it.
Dr. Gasser, let's hear what a couple of other patients have to say.
Being able to come into Dr. Gasser and find out that in one day I could get my new teeth, I was thrilled. I have to teach myself to smile because I was hiding my smile so much before that my muscles weren't used to it. So to get a good smile in now took a little practice. If there's one thing I could say about Dr. Gasser is that he was born to be a dentist. There's no one that I've met that is made for their profession so much. He is precise, he's diligent, he follows through with everything. So he loves his job, and you can see that.
I always covered my mouth when I spoke because I was so self-conscious of the gaps in my teeth and the pain I had on a daily basis that I always would cover my mouth when I smiled or talked. I wouldn't even really smile. Now I smile all the time. His staff truly cares from start to finish how you feel when you leave there, and I mean, step by step, his whole staff is fabulous.
And I think that's one of the great things that really sets Gasser Dental apart. Not only is it such a warm and welcoming environment, but you guys really go the extra mile to do things like this. I think it's got to give people such a great sense of reassurance and confidence that they can call anybody on your list and talk to them and get their questions
And
answered
find out the
from
truth
a
of the matter,
one-on-one,
right?
yeah,
From
patient.
people that have been through it. And that's really important because people don't care about what we know until they know that we care. And that makes a big difference for everybody, no matter what we're doing, and certainly in the implant world.
Well, these smiles are sure making people's lives a lot better. So thank you for all you do and for all the great information.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
The Better Arizona Show will be right back.